If you need help to come up with business name ideas, the Namelix is an amazing resource to use. It's basically an AI business name generator. Let me show you how it works. So you can just come to namelix.com. As you can see here, business name generator, generate a short, brandable business name using artificial intelligence. So we can just enter the relevant keywords about your business. So let's say I want to sell dog toys. So I can just say online retailer that sells dog toys. So let's go with that. We can click on generate. So here we can select a name style. So if you want to look at all style, you can just select auto. If you want a more brandable business name, you can select that or any other style that you see here that best fit your business. For this example, I'll just go with auto. So we can click next. So now we need to select the generation randomness. So for randomness, the lower it is, the more direct the name idea is. So the higher the randomness, the more varied the results would be. So we can just go with medium. So this way we get a more balanced, more creative results. You can select whichever you prefer. I'll just go with medium and then click next. Brand info. So you can add a short 1-sentence description about your business or product. So I'll just leave it and I'll just click on generate. And then here we see all the results. So you can just browse through all the results. And when you see one that piques your interest, so for example, let's click on pup toys. So I'm pretty sure this one is taken already. So what you can do is just hover here, click on more info. The AI actually provides you a feedback to explain to you where the name comes from. So this is really useful and really cool. And you can also see the domain availability, which I think is super useful. So obviously the puptoys.com is taken. So you can go with puptoys.co, .org, .net, and all the other different domains. You can see the other suggestions here. So let's say we go with Toys Pups. Right, and then you can see the different designs too. You can purchase the designs if you want, but I mainly just use this for idea generation. So this is definitely an amazing AI tool to use to find the business name ideas. And if you're looking for the easiest and the quickest way to set up your LLC, then I would recommend you to check out the next video.